Hello friends, today I am now going to discuss the application of the vector. Very interesting problem. Suppose first we will discuss this easy problem, then we will come into this. Okay. Suppose this is a gun, or you can something that is firing a bullet, or you can understand it is a bowling machine or something. So and suppose it is a bowling machine. Okay, and it is throwing a ball with velocity v. Okay, so now how can you divide this component and the angle between this throwing, it is the base, the angle between the throwing and the velocity is theta. Okay, so how can you break the component of vector into it? So suppose free body diagram of it, free body diagram. So what is free body diagram? Consider it is as a point mass. Okay, and consider the ball, or you can you can assume it as a bullet from a gun or something. The ball here as a point mass. Now you have to calculate or you have to obtain the components. So v is along here. Now break into Cartesian coordinate. Here the angle is theta. Here the angle is theta, and you know velocity is a vector, and it has component along x, as it has it has made a direction with theta, made a direction it has made an angle theta with the direction x. So this component will be cos theta component. So x component will be vx cos theta, and y component will be vy sin theta. So here this component will be vx cos theta, vy sin theta, or more specifically this is the velocity of the ball, na? It is theta, vx cos theta along, it is horizontal component and along vertical it is vy sin theta. Now I am going to discuss this problem. It is very interesting problem. It is a box and a man is holding the box. Okay, so how can you break the components of the vector? So you know force is always a vector F, and here what is the force? Mg, means weight. Because you know when you are sitting or you are standing on the ground, so force is gravitational force always act toward downwards. So force is always downward. So this is mg. So here it is also force is acting on downward, but the angle is now theta. So how to resolve this angle? So first you have to draw the normals. Normal means it is a base. Suppose it is a base and the normal will be perpendicular, that is 90 degree, perpendicular to the base. So draw the normals from it. Okay, we have drawn the normals, and a opposite line direction of normal. Now make the angle theta. This is the process. Now this is force mg. So along theta components it will be mg cos theta, and these components it will be mg sin theta.